Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw some apple cider. So I hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video. Now, to start off with this, we're going to draw the sides of our apple cider jug. So I'm going to start right here, and I want to make a nice line that goes down on each side. So I'm going to draw a line that goes down here. I want to leave some space, and I want to make another line that goes down just like this. At the bottom here, I want to connect these with a nice curve. So I'm going to make a nice big smiley face that goes from one end to the next. Now, starting here, I'm going to add a little line that's going to curve up. And then I want to do the same thing on this side. I'm just going to curve up, but I'm going to leave some space right in the middle there. Now, right here, I'm going to draw two lines that go up for like the top of my cider jug. Then I'm going to just draw a little line that goes across to connect them. I'm going to start here and I'm going to make a line that's going to curve out, it's going to come across, and then back down. And then on the top here, I'm going to draw two lines that go up, and you can see these kind of go out a little bit. And then I'm just going to make a little curved line on the top for like a cork. Now, right up here, I want to add a handle, and you can put the handle on either side, however you want to. I'm just going to put my handle right here. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to make a little line that's going to curve out, and it's going to come down to here. And then I'm going to start here, and I'm going to make that same shape right above it. Now, on top of here, I want to make a little picture that kind of shows this is apple cider. So you want to begin by making two lines that go down. So I'm going to draw a line that goes down here, and then another one right down here. I'm going to connect this. I'm going to kind of curve this line a little bit, and I'm going to curve this one up a little bit. Now I want to draw just a simple apple on here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just make a nice big circle. And then on the top, let's add a little smiley face. Then I'm going to have a little line that goes up, over, and down. I'm just going to color this in. And then I'm going to add a little leaf right on here that just kind of curves up and down. And I'll add a little line down here with a couple little lines on it. Now over here, just to kind of add, or you can do it on this side, just to kind of add a little bit more, I want to do a little apple slice. So we'll put it on this side since we have the handle over here. I'm just going to draw a little line that's just going to go down like this at an angle. Then I'm going to curl it all the way back to the jug. Then I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to add a little line that's going to go all the way to here. Then I'm going to add a small little oval in here so it looks like a little apple seed. And there you go. There is your jug of apple cider. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.